Good morning. This is a recording for Sunday, March 17th. The essay I'm going to read for you today from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled Breaking Patterns. As usual, after the reading, we're going to do a short reflection practice around it. Mark Nepo prefaces this essay with the words by Walt Whitman. If I contradict myself, I contradict myself. I contain multitudes. If I contradict myself, I contradict myself. I contain multitudes. We create patterns that others depend on. And then the last thing we ever imagined happens. We grow and change. And then to stay vital, we must break the patterns we created. There is no blame or fault in this. It is commonplace in nature. Just watch the ocean and shore do their dance of build-up and crumble, and you'll see this happen daily. We know we are close to this threshold when we hear someone say, "You are not yourself," or "That was out of character for you." What is difficult at this juncture is to resist either complying with how others see us or withholding who we really are. The challenge, which I don't do well but stay committed to, is to say to those we love, "I am more than I have shown you, and more than you are willing to see. Let's work out love and know each other more fully." What a beautiful reflection, isn't it? And I just had a talk with a friend about this. And I remember myself that when I have started kind of changing rapidly, and some of my old friends were saying, "You have changed." And at first it was like a pang. I was like, no, I'm still who I am, who I was, and I'm still me. And then gradually I started thinking, well, yes, I changed. And whenever somebody told me or tells me now that you have changed, I say, yeah, I have. Thank you for noticing. I like that. And that allows me to feel a little bit more spacious, a little bit more myself. And the relationships that are meant to continue and deepen. And the relationships that are not meant to be just kind of fall out. And that's okay too. Anyway, that's my story. But let's do a little reflection around the essay. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Your breath nice and soft, completely natural. Just notice your body breathing in and out, in and out. Find some spaciousness, some freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now reflect back on some of your recent interactions and pick 2 different scenarios to meditate on. One where you were fully yourself in the interaction, and the other where you were trying to comply with how others see you. by perhaps withholding parts of who you are, just to seem that you have not changed. Now go fully into the first memory, an interaction where you are fully yourself. Reflecting back on this, how did that feel in your body, your heart, your mind? What does that mean, being fully yourself with others? As you breathe slowly and fully, drink in the fullness of who you are. Now go fully into the second memory, an interaction where you were withholding parts of yourself to comply with how others see you. What does that mean to you? What exactly were you withholding? Why? How did that feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Simply breathe slowly once or twice and return to the fullness of who you are, without fear, without apology. You have the right to be here just the way you are. It's as simple as that, even though it may be a challenge at times. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I always feel safe in the fullness of who I really am. May I touch deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you move through your interactions today, I invite you to notice whether you are complying with how others see you by withholding parts of who you are, or being yourself fully. After each interaction, simply breathe slowly and feel the fullness of who you truly are. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.